And as we gear up to celebrate the 4th of July, it's important to remember that fireworks can be fun for us, but frightening for our pets. Every year, shelters see a spike in missing animal reports right after the holiday. Tonight, our Alan Casper is sharing some simple steps that you can take to keep your furry friends safe and calm when the fireworks begin.
SPCA, we tend to get a lot of calls after the fireworks, and people are looking for their dog who got spooked and ran away. Pets have super sensitive hearing. A lot of them are afraid of the actual firework visuals as well as the noise. So your safest thing is to keep your pet indoors, to figure out room or area where the least amount of noise might be. It'd probably be a good idea to have your pet close to you, maybe have a TV or music on so they do not hear the fireworks and get traumatized or spooked by the fireworks. Make sure they have a collar and a tag as well as a microchip in case that collar or tag should fall off. If you have animals that are super traumatized by noises or have high anxiety, you would talk to your veterinarian about doing something about that, perhaps some medication that would be prescribed by a veterinarian. But your safest thing again is to keep your animals inside in a safe zone with some background noise.
That was Alan Casper reporting. Some great advice there.